Hello guys, this is a video how to repair a bad cracking noise that I developed on my Model X. This is in the front right, could be either side or both. It depends on which type of noise you have. I'll tell you the most common ones on the one I had. Most of these Model X's, they're very heavy. This is for the Legacy 2016 to 2021. It could be for the all the Model X's when they stop being made in 2026, from 2016 to 2026. This top ball joint usually gets pretty dry and starts cracking and bumps and in turns and every time. But actually I replaced my half shafts in this Model X about 6 months ago. I had replaced one because one was already grinding. I replaced both of them, and I greased these top ball joints while I was here because I had to undo this ball and take down this whole hub and everything out. So I, as a preventative maintenance, I greased this out. I got you could pierce, a bunch of people pierce this boot, but I did not do that. I just got a fine pick and then wind this clip and fill it up with as much grease as I could under, and I greased it pretty good. So my cracking is not this, because I did that like 6 months ago when I replaced the half shaft. Okay, the other one, like about more than a year ago, like almost 2 years, I serviced that bushing, which is a primary bushing next to the battery. I replaced it because these go bad too, and they start making noises and cracks and all sorts of stuff. You have to actually cut out that nut because that goes, the other side goes to the battery, and I had to get another one and just put it this way so you can service it anytime and take it out easily without lowering the battery or anything like that. And I checked all other, we marked everything before we got it aligned because we did a service on this lower suspension. This car actually had a repair right here in the subframe, but that's another thing. So what happened is I was checking for the crack and this time around, because it started like a week or 2 weeks ago, and this is what I found. You gotta make sure you check all your boots. Well, this one is dry for you. You could get a piercing needle if you wanna take your time and undo this bolt, lower this, complete the hub assembly and unwind that so you don't pierce the boot, and put some grease in it if that could be the case. But for my case, since I had that bushing replaced too, that wasn't the case. It was this stabilizer link right here. Look, this boot is fine, but this one is busted. See? So that's what's making the cracking noise, and this cracking noise is only being done when I take off at low speeds and when I stop at low speeds, not while riding or when going fast speed. Just when the stabilizer disassembly goes or starts to take off, they kind of shakes the car a little bit, but when you're going fast, nothing happens. So I went ahead and I ordered the part. This is from Tesla. They're very inexpensive. I paid like 20-30 bucks. It depends however you want to get it. This is the stabilizing link. I think they're making this serviceable because these have this type of clips. So the ones I was telling you, can get a toothpick, not toothpick, like a pick, and just unwind those clips and fill them out with grease if you don't want to like replace this, or if yours is not cracked. Mine right here is completely busted, and that's what's making the noise, the cracking noise, just when I start and go at low speeds, not at high speeds, and not while turning, and not at bumps. Only when I stop and go, let's say at 5 miles per hour, or just rolling down, no downhill or uphill, it don't matter. But that was the problem, that stabilizer link. So I'm gonna get that replaced right now, and that was the source of my cracking because it was only on this side. I checked the other one, it was fine. But primarily your sources of cracking and everything, there's many ways. The most primary is this top ball joint goes dry. Make sure to get a piercing needle with grease if you don't wanna pierce your boot. Just completely replace this top ball joint for the front side, and or undo it like I did it and just put a bunch of grease in it. Also, you can the other type of cracking and noises is from that bushing over there. You have to get a new bolt so you can get it out, and you have to make an alignment or make marks before you take it off, and that one too is a source of cracking. Finally, this one, the just about any ball joint or stabilizer link is a source of cracking. You can check these two, but this one's fine. And some people in the Model Y and Model 3, they have some cracking noise when they stop and go, like a single click from the CV axles, because under this hub there's a bearing and some type of movement, a cracking occurs, so people grease in between behind these, the CV axle on the hub. Okay, so that's the case. I'm getting this replaced. This is original. You can get this aftermarket. They're getting readily available everywhere, and just takes a 15 socket. I might use a second plier or whatever, and then install it with another jack just to leave the stabilizer here to make it fit in here, or either or. That was my problem. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Click like, share and subscribe. Thank you.